Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple vegetable stock. I did get a request, and here's some of the items that I will use. I'm going to use some carrots, has leek, have some celery sticks here, some onion, and mushroom. I'm going to go ahead and wash my vegetables off, then I'll come back and show you how we make the stock. All right, our vegetables are cut. I did leave the skin on the carrot. It's not a big deal. So what I will add to this is some tomato paste. And this is optional. We did this in culinary school without the leeks and the mushrooms though. And the stock was absolutely delicious. So I always add the tomato paste. And you want to just make sure you get it all over your vegetables. All right, once you mix your vegetables up, making sure the tomato paste covers your vegetable, I'm going to stick it in the oven at 350 for about, I would say, 30 minutes. We're going to develop more flavor by allowing these to roast a little bit, and as soon as it start getting a little brown on it, then we'll take it out of the oven and I'll show you what I do next. Here's our vegetables. They're looking nice. I pull them out of the oven. If you notice, it's not dark all the way through. As long as you have, you know, some dark spots here and there, it's good, because you do not want to burn this. So now I'm going to add this to my pot. Whoops. Okay. And it smells amazing. Nice. All right, now I'm going to add some water. I'll add just a little bit more. This is about 6 to 7 cups of water. I'm going to turn my stove on high. Let's give it a stir. Okay, now I'm going to add some peppercorn to this. I'm going to also add some thyme and celery stick. Okay, I'm not adding in the leaves, just the stick of the celery. Now I'm going to add my bay leaves in there. And I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. Then I'm going to reduce my heat to a number 2 and allow it to simmer for about an hour. This has been simmering for about an hour and 15 minutes, which is more than enough time. Because remember, we did allow it to stay in the oven for 30 minutes. And what I forgot to mention is I did add garlic, fresh garlic. So add a clove or 2 of fresh garlic. Okay. I usually mince mine when I come home from the grocery store, so I add about this much. So we're gonna go ahead and strain this, and I want to show you how beautiful our broth is. It smells amazing, and if you want, you can add salt to it, but like I said, I'm going to just, you know, strain it, freeze it, and then whenever I'm ready to use it, and then I'll add whatever I'm going to add and some salt to it. Until next time, guys, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Absolutely delicious.